Guys, welcome to my channel once again. In this video we're going to discuss how to connect Sosovalue wallet as well as Arichain wallet. With no doubt, Sosovalue airdrop was one among those that benefited people then, okay, and now they have season 2 which is about to come to an end. That is, the listing of season 2 is about to take place, and this time around the question many people are asking is this: how do I connect my wallet? And with no doubt, all of us know that the wallet of Sosovalue airdrop is somehow critical to connect when comparing to the other wallets. Okay, that is why in this video I'll first of all guide you how to connect Sosovalue wallet, and we'll also discuss about Arichain wallet as well. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end, and if so first time coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. As you can see, this is my Sosovalue, and anytime you log in, the first thing you will see immediately is the market interface here, where you see the current trading of other cryptos. As we know, Sosovalue is a wallet where other cryptos are also trading, and the values will be showing, such as the increase and decrease in the price. Okay, so we're going to come over to the EXP at the bottom of the screen. Do you see it right here? So the next thing we're going to do is simple. As you can see, this is my EXP session, and the next thing we're going to do now is to go to any of the wallet you want to use to connect to our Sosovalue. You can use MetaMask, you can use Trust Wallet, you can use OKS Wallet, and so on. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use MetaMask wallet. Okay, so I'm going to come over to the MetaMask right now. So guys, as you can see, this is my MetaMask. Irrespective of any wallet you use, the interface are almost the same. All you need to do is to come over to the browser. Okay, for others like Trust Wallet, the browser section might be at the left hand side, but for this one it is almost at the center. So we're going to click on that browser. After clicking on browser, you are going to come over to the search section here. Okay, click on search. Okay, so what you are going to search there is Sosovalue. That is Sosovalue. You understand? Then you put .com. Okay, .com. So this is their official website. Before you could finish typing it, they will bring it up like this. So the next thing we're going to do is to come over to this particular place here, which is ESP session. You understand? So after clicking on that EXP, it is going to take you to the login interface. First of all, you will need to log in. You come here, you first of all see the wallet, but without logging in, you'll not be able to use the wallet yet. So let me quickly log in. So when you are done with logging in, the next thing I'm going to do now is to come over to this particular option here, which is wallet. Then you're going to click on wallet. Then you select any of the wallets you want to use from here. So for instance, I would like to select MetaMask. Do you understand? So what is going to show here is this connect. Okay, so you're going to come over to connect wallet and click on connect. It is as simple as that, and as you can see, your permission have been updated. So you're going to come over to the confirm and click on confirm connect. You understand? And successfully your wallet have been connected. And for connecting your wallet, you have earned 10,000 SP. Okay, so that is how simple it is to connect your wallet on Sosovalue airdrop. Now let us come over to discuss the latest update about Arichain wallet connect. Okay, so guys, just like the way we did on Sosovalue, as you can see, this is my Ari Wallet or Arichain. The next one I'm going to do is this. If you click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen, which is this particular line, you are going to come over to this place and you are going to see your wallet. But before we move on, if we come to the information released by Arichain official on their Telegram community a few days ago, from this particular option which says that through this update, users will be able to complete wallet registration and point verification. Okay, so they are currently developing these features which will be coming very soon. You understand? However, it's not majority that will start getting it, as stated earlier. So what you are going to do is this. Possibly some people might have started seeing it, however some may not have seen it yet. So to check your own, you are going to come over to the Arichain. Then you are going to click on, as usual, click on these particular three lines and you're going to come over to this place where you will see if there is wallet available. Okay, so on my own there's no wallet available yet. That means I have not given. Okay, so you have to keep on checking your own, and if you are not seeing your own yet, you have to keep on working harder on Ari Wallet, as there may be criteria for wallet to appear, such as number 1, referrals, number 2, to register legitimately, okay, and number 3, to participate and be active on the airdrop, so that you share their link and so on, and complete daily task, daily quiz, and social task. You understand? So guys, that's it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.